Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Mitch. I am Mitch, so welcome here. Let's have a short conversation about me this time because this is my first video. So, my name is Mitch. I live in San Diego, California. California is a very big state and it's very nice. Let me see 3 interesting things about me. Well, when I was a little boy, from age 7 to 13, I lived in the Philippines. So that's a very interesting thing about me because not many Americans have lived in the Philippines. So I did. Another interesting thing about me, I am the only child in my family and the first child in my family to have achieved a bachelor degree from college. So that's a very big thing too. Now that was a long time ago, but I was the only child to do that. So that was pretty cool. One more interesting thing about me is that I was in the United States military. I was in the Air Force. So when I was in the Air Force, I was what we say or what we call, right, a law enforcement troop. So what does that mean? It means you were the policeman for the Air Force. So there we go. Those are some interesting things about me. So what I would like from you is to tell me in your comments 3 interesting things about you. I would love to hear what country you are watching this video from. And I would like to hear if you like school or not. Some people really like school and some people do not like school. So I want to know what you like. So how about 2 more interesting things about me? Okay? I work in a hospital, a very big hospital. And my job is very exciting. It's very good because I help others. I am very proud to help others. I like what I do because helping others is what all of us should do. Let's see, the last thing about me that is interesting is that my wife is not from America. She is from another country. So that's always interesting for me. Some of my friends find that interesting as well. So it's pretty cool. So how do I get to work? I drive my car to work. My car is a Nissan SUV. Very small car, but very smart car because it is small and I get very good gas mileage from it. So that's my way I get to work. I do not take the bus because there are not many buses that come by my house that early in the morning. You understand? So I drive to work. This is my first video for English with Mitch. It is going to be about conversations. So you can listen and try to understand what I am saying, and also maybe copy some of the words I say to help you. Okay? So please leave me a comment and please subscribe. This will be an excellent channel. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.